Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify. There are two primary methods we will cover: pointing your domain using DNS records or transferring your domain directly to Shopify. Both methods allow you to use your custom domain for your online store, providing a professional and branded presence. We will walk through each option step by step, ensuring you can successfully link your domain and start building your e-commerce business with confidence. To point your domain, first log into your Namecheap account and navigate to the Advanced DNS section for your chosen domain. Here, you will add two crucial records. The first is a record, which should point to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Next, create a CNAME record for your www subdomain, pointing it to shops.meshopify.com. Remember to save these changes and allow up to 48 hours for global propagation. If you prefer to transfer your domain, begin by unlocking it in your Namecheap account settings. This is a critical first step. Then, request the authorization code, often called the EPP code, which Namecheap will provide. With this code, go to your Shopify admin, navigate to Domains, and select Transfer Domain. Enter the authorization code there. You will receive an email to confirm the transfer, which typically takes 5 to 7 business days to complete fully. After either pointing or transferring your domain, patience is key. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully propagate across the internet. You can monitor the status of your domain directly within your Shopify admin under the Domains section. Once connected, ensure you set your custom domain as the primary domain for your store. Now, with your professional domain linked, you are ready to further customize your Shopify store and launch your online business.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.